tak pernah kosong. Saya sampai seluruh dagingku, adam tetes macam kerupuk.
The State of Motion allows the Asian Film Archive to bring about different histories together, or rather the interpretations of histories, and to present different perspectives looking at our history, whether it be national or even within our region where Singapore stands, from a current perspective.
Saudara dan saudari, mengapakah kamu di sini? Adakah kita di sini untuk menuntut keadilan? Adakah kita di sini untuk meratap yang mati?
And what we've done here is we focus on 10 films produced predominantly by Shaw Brothers Malay Film Productions between 1955 and 1965. And what we're trying to do is actually to look at films as documents of social history and to try to understand the social attitudes back then as well.
This particular event has enabled AFA to reach out to a whole gamut of artists, from across multidisciplinary in effort, and also for filmmakers to be aware of the kinds of conversations that we can actually pull together amongst the different arts groups. And I think AFA has been trying to bring the communities together, but also to create an awareness of the importance of film preservation, and that if we didn't do something now, we would not have anything for our future generations to enjoy in terms of our cinematic heritage.
Sangat terbilang tiap daerah, negeri Melaka, negeri mulia, sudah terkenal dalam dunia. Negeri Melaka aman dan makmur, sejak dahulu sudah termasyhur. Negeri Melaka, negeri yang asal, negeri Melayu memang terkenal, tempat pahlawan gagah dan handal, dagang santeri datang berjual.